Massachusetts, running Drobots camp.
The kids have loved it. It allows the kids to actually learn through play. As a teacher, if I can create an environment where kids are actually having fun, they learn a ton.
We're teaching them how drones fly and how to fly drones. So they're learning a little bit about the science and the engineering behind how a drone works and a lot about how to fly them.
We're doing drones, education, coding, conceptual design, anything to do with STEM-related activities.
We're talking about problem solving. So when the drones don't do what they're supposed to do, why is that happening? What's going on?
We use very durable drones, so when they crash, it's no big deal. It's called a safe crash. So they're able to get right back up and feel confident in the fact that they can get back in the air and flying.
A lot of times kids can have a fear of failure when they're trying a new thing, but I haven't seen any kid who's afraid to try something.
There's a lot of teamwork. There's always something new to work on.
My favorite part about it is flying the drones.
I learned how to fly them. I learned how they work because I knew nothing before I came here, and now I kind of feel like a professional or something.
They put you in groups with people that are going at your pace and are like your age so that you interact better. They give you a lot to work with. They have like the technology that you need to actually fly it.
I like learning about the ability of drones and what they can do, how they can help people in the future.
There's a lot of good people in the class, like there is here.
Because I came here, I really want to get a drone for Christmas.
I'm thinking I'll try and get a drone after this camp because they were a lot of fun.
I would come back next year. There's going to be like new stuff, and I really want to learn how to fly them better.
Our goal when we started the camp was to get kids and students away from the TV, away from computer screens, and get them outside, get them flying, to be able to direct and actually have an interaction with something three-dimensional right in front of them so that they can learn, be challenged by it, as well as use their teammates around them to help them accomplish a skill. This is just the beginning.